Let's see what we got. Open it. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it because I'm about to ruin my nails. No, just kidding. Well, not really. I do, and this is my first time ever using a Polygel kit. And I mean, I've watched videos before, so I know the steps. I just didn't approach them properly. So this is just me showing you the forms. And in this kit, there came 2 sets. So I like this flat one right here. That I know adheres better to your natural nail. That one has too much of a curve. And you see? Too much. That's a no-no. So I just put that one back. Yep, put it back, girl. You don't want that one. You want this one. So now I'm just going to start a natural manicure, clipping my nails. Taking the orange stick and pushing my cuticle down. Taking my new drill now and setting up for failure. No. I do an okay job. I do a good job, okay? I just probably was intimidated or scared. I never used a nail drill before. I mean, maybe if I troubleshoot some tips in how I'm angling, you know, working with my left hand, I think I'd do a better job. But I haven't touched the drill since. My nails have grown out pretty well, and it was traumatizing. So yeah, I just started at a low speed, and now that I've gotten an okay hang of it, and I didn't create any friction burns, I picked up the speed a little bit. Alright, I'm just going to finish up the basic manicure real quick and take a file all the sharp edges, and set up all my Polygel kit. I'm going to take those newer polyforms that they gave me, and I'm just setting them all out and measuring them to my exact nail, and I noticed that one of them is missing. I'm pretty sure it didn't come in the kit, and they want you to buy it. So we're just working with what we got, and I did the base coat, and now I'm going to set up for my very first polyform, in which I thought I did a really good job. Like, I'm just gonna form it in there, take a little bit of their liquid, form it some more to this beautiful, elegant shape, and just pure devastation of what goes on next. To be honest, you've seen what happened in the beginning of the video. Wait till you see the end of the video. Look at how dainty I take off the form. I don't manipulate it. I'm not pressing it. It looks awesome. And I'm watching this video, and look at the bubble. I'm like, what the heck happened? What? I didn't press it down hard enough. Did I press it down too hard and I took off some liquid? Ladies, I just don't know. You see that? Oh my goodness. I know, isn't it? So here I go, continuing on with the rest of the hand. So I'm just gonna I don't know what happened. I'm pretty sure I have a paper towel on the side and I'm just dabbing off the excess liquid, but then I'm also dabbing off the excess liquid on my paper placemat. I'll let you just continue watching the rest of the video and I'll catch you at the end. At this point, they all kept popping off. I don't know why. Please leave all your troubleshoot tips below, video links, all of the above. I want to know. Look at all the polygel stuck to the top of my hands, both my hands. Things got out of hand. Look at that. It just stuck. It's stuck on my thumbs. So enough was enough. I'm like, that's just way too much in the UV light. I think I've probably done them about 3 times at this point. So I'm just going to file the ones that stayed on strong, but not too long. And yeah. This is probably one of my favorite parts about nails, is just shaping and filing. I thought I was done with the UV light, but apparently not, because my pinky was needing to be done for some reason. I don't know why I thought that. I don't know why the whole hand needed to go in for the pinky. But there it goes. It's beautiful. And it's shaped and it feels sturdy. But in 45 minutes, they end up all popping off. All of them. They have all popped off. Even though I'm filing them, and here's my index pointer finger. And yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.